If you're looking for the best AI tools for mathematics in 2026, here's the truth. Getting the answer is easy. Understanding the process. That's where the real value is, and not every AI tool is built for that. Some tools are designed to solve complex equations with precision. Others focus on teaching step by step, and some try to balance both. So, instead of trying everything, here are the 3 best AI tools for math right now, and exactly what each one is best at. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools ever built for mathematics. Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha is not a typical AI assistant. It's a computational engine designed to handle math at a very deep level. You can input anything from basic algebra to advanced calculus, linear algebra, statistics, and even complex equations, and it will not only give you the answer, but also show you how it got there. It can generate graphs, break down formulas, and provide step-by-step solutions for many types of problems. What really makes it stand out is accuracy. When you're dealing with higher-level math, you need something reliable, and this is one of the most trusted tools available. So if you're a student in advanced courses, or someone working with technical math, this is easily one of the best options. Now, let's move to something more practical and everyday friendly. Photomath is all about speed and simplicity. You just take a picture of a math problem and it solves it instantly. But the real value is not just the answer. It walks you through the solution step by step in a way that's easy to understand. This makes it perfect for students who are learning and need guidance, not just results. It works best with algebra, arithmetic, fractions, and common school level math, and because it's so fast and visual, it's one of the easiest tools to use on a daily basis. If you've ever been stuck on homework and needed quick help, this is exactly the type of tool that makes a difference. Now, let's talk about a more balanced and flexible option. Over Microsoft Math Solver combines solving power with learning features. You can type a problem, draw it, or scan it, and the tool gives you a clear solution with explanations. But it goes a bit further. It often shows multiple ways to solve the same problem, along with graphs and related concepts. That's important because in math, understanding different approaches can make everything easier. It also connects topics together, helping you see patterns instead of just isolated answers. So if you want something that helps you learn while solving, this is a very strong option. Now here's what actually matters. There is no single perfect tool. Each one is built for a different purpose. Wolfram Alpha is built for precision and advanced math. Photomath is built for speed and step-by-step learning. Microsoft Math Solver is built for understanding and flexibility. So, what's the smartest way to use them? Don't rely on just one. Use Photomath when you need quick help. Use Microsoft Math Solver when you want to understand the process, and use Wolfram Alpha when you're dealing with complex or higher-level problems. The bottom line is simple. AI tools can give you answers instantly. But the real advantage in 2026 is using them to actually understand math. And when you combine the right tools, you don't just solve problems faster, you get better at math itself.